Anyway, it's neither here nor there. We're not going to solve that problem today. So, theory, practice, scales. What are you going to do? Here's your C major scale. You're going to play all the available chords in the C major scale. Remember, our major scale is a concept. It's all these notes, right? And out of these notes, we get our possible chords. So we have C major, which is our 1 chord. D minor, 2 chord. E minor, 3 chord. F major, 4 chord. G major, 5 chord. A minor, 6 chord. B diminished, 7th chord. Okay, so this is designed to drill these chords, but also get them into your ear as well in different contexts. Major chords sound different in different contexts. Minor chords too. So all I want you to do is this. Playing the 1 chord, thinking that's the 1 chord, C major, 2 chord, D minor. The right hand is playing the exact same thing every time. E minor is the 3 chord. 4 chord, F major. Then you do it in your other keys. So this is going to really start to get the association of the scale with the available chords. So D major. Anytime there's an F or a C, it's going to be sharp. So I'm just going to run those. D major is the 1 chord. E minor, 2 chord. 3 chord, F sharp minor. G major, 4 chord. A major, 5 chord. B minor, 6 chord. C sharp diminished is the 7 chord. Okay? Just one way to do this. And you want to do that in every key eventually. Now with your chords to practice, there's our 6 types of triads is what we're really working on right now. You want to play it chromatically up, chromatically down. So just start with your major. C major, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. All root position, both hands. 1, 3, and 5, and then minors down. Diminished, augmented, sus4, sus2. You want to get all those. Just chromatically up and down for now, and then we can, when you have that down, then we'll mix it up and we'll do a different order. And then your complex chords or 7th chords, you're more, at least a little more complex. Again, the concept is this. We're going to start with the intervals. Remember, these are interval names. We have an octave, C octave. If we come down 1, this is called a major 7th. If we come down another one, it's called a minor 7th. If we come down one more, it's called a major 6th or a diminished 7th. So all I really want you to do is start to just pick a key every day. You know, get maybe a little notebook, keep track of where you are. But in C major, do it in C major, then do it in C sharp major, then do it in D major or D. Whatever, C, C sharp, and D. So you start with your interval. Here's your octave. I want you to go to your major 7th. Now you're going to play each of the 6 triads with this major 7th. Start to get this stuff into your ear. I don't even want you to really worry about what they're called. Just know that this is augmented with a major 7, sus4 with a major 7, sus2 with a major 7, because the names start to get confusing. So I want the concept to be really solid concept. And then we'll apply the sometimes nonsensical musical traditional terminology to it. So then we have our flat 7, minor 7 rather, see? Major, minor, diminished, augmented, sus4, sus2. We go to our major 6. Only 3 chords with a major 6. You got major, minor, and diminished, which magically converts this into a diminished 7th as opposed to a major 6. So you want to do that in different keys, different days. Again, we have a hard cutoff for the time. So when you're done, just make a note of where you are. I used to have a matrix. I used to use graph paper in college because I had like 65 different types of scales and 12 different keys to learn. So it was a lot of shit. So I would just, obviously can't get through all that, and then everything else you have to do every day. So just, as long as you're hitting it. Again, we're learning a process. So I'm going to do that in a different key, C sharp. Right? Here's our octave. Here's our major seventh. So I'm going to go major, minor, diminished, augmented, sus4, sus2. Notice I'm playing this with my right hand because I want you to have a dividing line in your concept. Then I'm going to go to flat 7 or minor 7, sorry. Trying to be consistent. Music terminology is not consistent. I mean, it's so dumb. Anyway, it's my mind. Here we go. Minor 7. So we got major, minor, diminished, augmented, sus4, sus2. Then we go down one more to our major 6. Again, only 3 chords. Major, minor, diminished, 7. Okay? Do one of those a day.